Hey, what's up, my dear traders and YouTubers? How is everyone doing? Once again, Savitri making another exciting video about the topic. You will really enjoy the topic because this topic was requested by many people. Geometry and structure. So what is geometry and structure? So it is probably not the new topic that I'm talking in YouTube. I have already discussed about this topic in previous videos, but I just want to ask you, how was your week, by the way? Hopefully you had a great week last week. Today is Monday and we are heading to another trading session, right? So because we trade Monday to Friday and we get excited 2 to 3 weeks, oh, it was like result is so great. And then the third week, probably your result is not that good. And what happens? Oh, let's give up. It's not for me. Have you felt that before? Yes, I can relate to that as well. I sometimes feels, not right now, but I felt that so many times, oh no, Forex is not for me. I do not want to continue in this profession. Rather, I work for someone else. But when I realize it, no, I have to keep going. And look, because of all the inspiration, my viewers, they started to comment, and then they started to encourage me so much that because I was about to give up last year, not last year, there were so many things happen. I was going through a lot of family, you say the challenges, right? The work and life balance challenges. Then I was not able to actually give time to in learning process. Then I realized, I need to set my time. So now my lifestyle is very simple, very simplified. I spend a lot of time with my children, all because of Forex trading, number one. Number two is I started to work less. I quit my full-time job. Can you imagine that? I quit my full-time job. As everyone knows, I have been living in Australia for a little while now. It's 18 years running. And I came to Australia with a lot of dreams. And every single person who come to Australia, I think it is related to most of the people, I believe. Why? Because we all come to see better future. But everyone has to start from scratch here. No matter you have done masters, you have a lot of work experience as a lecturer, as a maybe engineer back home, but you have to start from the beginning here. So this is something I realized as well, and I am actually giving some experience and insight that yes, why did I start Forex trading, and I'm going to explain what topic helped me to become better trader right now. So there is nothing 100% in Forex. There is nothing 100% in Forex, but yes, if you keep going, all you have to have is persistence. So you need to have a lot of patience. I always tell that 3 P's are the most important part of becoming a better trader and consistent, profitable trader, because you still need to take some losses. But having said that, that 1 or 2 losses is not going to impact you so much because there are more wins than losses. Today is Monday, so if you use this strategy that I'm going to share today, it's completely a pattern, the structured geometry that which is suitable for you. You will follow that. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do that. I will wait for you. Okay. Have you done? Click that button. Thank you so much for subscription. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your comment. I always want your feedback. Okay. So let's go ahead. What do I want to talk about? So I would like to talk about that when you came or you come to different lifestyle. Say you were in Nepal, right? You were in Nepal. What did you do? Probably I was a teacher there. I was a maths and science teacher. So why did I start Forex trading? I started Forex trading back in 2017 when I lost my mom. I think I tell everyone this is very personal story that I share rarely with people. When I lost my mom, I was completely in depression. And I didn't find any way out. Then I started researching a lot. Then I also started this direct selling companies, network marketing, which also included Forex trading. And this is the industry that you never stop learning. You never stop learning. That is one part, but in between, I never stopped learning. I never stopped enhancing my career. I was working in a hell long hours in kitchen as a head chef as well. Started from my career as a commis chef. Every single person who come as a student in Australia, they have to start from somewhere. I started as a helper, like say, even I wash the dishes. There's no shame to tell that. Yes, now I have a freedom to live my life in my own time. I am grateful for that. Every single morning I wake up, I thank God I started to learning something new that no one told me. I research myself, but now at least I'm here for you to tell you that, yes, if you learn this skill once, be consistent in your practice. Don't jump to your real money. Practice a lot in demo account. And once you have a confidence, manage your risks, and then let's go and earn some money from Forex. Yes, not many will do that though. 90% will lose money. This is not the fake word. This is the reality. 90% of people still lose money. They think this is actually a scam. I always tell this story to everyone because I believe from my heart and soul that if you master this skill, if you master the information I'm going to share you right now after a few minutes, this can change your life. Okay, let's go ahead. So first of all, I would like also tell you happy Deepavali to every single person out there who is enjoying their life, who is enjoying their this particular beautiful festival season. Okay, so I miss Nepal so much this time because Tiar was my favorite festival because I was only the sister in our family, and I used to collect a lot of money. I used to collect a lot of money because everyone used to give me money. So this is something I'm going to share with you. Hopefully you can see my screen. Yes, I believe you can. You can see my screen, but what I would like to do is I would like to go through just one moment. There we go. Welcome. Okay, so let's go ahead. What is buy limit and sell limit? This is something so many people ask me about buy limit and sell limit. What is this buy limit and sell limit? And I would like to give you some example that yes, there are different ways that we can place an order, and this is also another way. So all you can do is place your order a little bit ahead, but you think that this limit is going to click that entry point or not. So if not, what is going to happen? We will definitely stop out, which is okay. So when you see this information right here, I would like to quickly. So buy limit is what happens is you are right now, you are here, but you think the market will come up here and they will retrace, and from here you want to make an entry. So you can still you can still make your order. Okay, that is what it is. Okay, so you are going to place an order in terms of your support. So this is a support you are going to make an order. This is buy limit. So stop limit, say market is through the top. So market is actually probably buy stop. Yeah, market is actually this is where you start your order, and buy stop is something you will start from. You will wait. You are not going to place an order right here. You are going to place, through the top resistance. This is how you are going to place your order. So that buy limit and buy stop, and sell limit and sell stop. Same thing. Limit means you are going to bounce at the top. You are going to bounce at the top. So this is resistance, and this is actually a resistance. This is support. Okay, and same thing. So through the support. So this is a support. So you are going to place an order. So yeah, this is not compulsory you need to do it. Some people, they're really keen and they are really doing well in this kind of making a decision where the market is going. So let's go ahead with the geometry and figures. What is market geometry? I think many of you already know that market moves making some kind of pattern. Market moves making some kind of pattern, and there are some figures. The figures also depends upon the market structure, and then the volume, and then the volatility, and sometimes also the price action. So price action is always there. That's what we're going to talk. So here, what is markets figure? You can see this picture is quite funny. You can see he's from Nepal, if you know. Look at it's, you can say bull and berries, or whatever you say, berries and bullies, whatever you call it's, you can name it just to make a little bit funny. So I made this slide. So candlestick anatomy. What is candlestick? So I think there are two types of candlesticks. Number one is bearish. Number two is bullish. So this is the high of the candlestick. You can say this is, suppose this is a hollow. Take it either color. I made this is completely black. This is white. Black is, say, bullish. Sorry, white is a bullish, and then black is your bearish. Okay. So this is the opening of your. This is open. You can say start, because we are talking about bullish candlestick. So this is the low of the candle, and this is the opening of the candle, and look at, this is the close, and this is the high. We're talking, this is about bullish. And let's talk about the bearish. So this is open. So bearish means market will always go down from upside down, and bullish means market will always go from down to up. So you can say upwards, okay, downwards towards upward, okay. And the same exactly similar way that this is the low for our bearish candle as well. And here this is the close. Why? Because this was the opening, because this market is going downward. We are talking about bearish, okay. We are talking about bearish candlestick pattern, okay. So top shallow real body, this is lower shadow. So this is a shadow, top shadow, this is a lower shadow, and this is a real body. So people still can make money in this one if they don't stock out. Seriously, yes, because these are the wicks. I also say wicks. And okay, so next one is position. So long and short position. So means you can say the different languages as well. Hopefully long means buy, short means sales. This information can help for beginners who are still struggling to identify these candlesticks and everything, and some pattern. Absolutely fantastic. So to understand this, you need to watch this video until the end. So here there is long-term trades and the short-term trade. So there are two types. So you can say even sometime middle, like say you can say you want to go into the market for a very short period of time, or just a little while, let's say for a couple of hours, and then if you want to go into the market for a whole day, or say a couple of weeks. There are different types of trades available. That is also important to understand. Now let's talk about candlesticks types. So sometimes they are in decision making candlestick. There's indecision making. Decision making means when you see these candlesticks, so, oh my God, I should enter the market right now. I'm going to share this one in the real market as well, so that you understand. So let's talk about one very important candlestick, very, very powerful candlestick. If you understand this Marubujo, that's up to you, which whatever you want to pronounce. It's like this is a bullish Marubujo. This is a black, means white and black Marubujo. So Marubujo means the whole candlestick, there is no wick. It's the very powerful volatile candlestick that is going to make the decision towards the same position it is going through. But it may not last, the trend may not last long, that we need to check different factors on that as well. And long body. So what is Marubujo? It's like a long body and rarely shadows. There is no shadow as well. Shadow means wicks, I would say. Bullish is a white, and the bearish is black. So position continuous pattern or reverse indicator. Okay, so that's one thing that what will it will navigate you. Suppose the market is going to continue, or it might sometime reverse as well. Bearish black Marubujo, it's a possible continuous pattern or reverse indicator. So when you see this kind of candlestick, you always make sure that confirmation must be there by whether this is a continuous pattern or reverse pattern. If you see another candlestick forming after this one, which is still the bearish, it might continue. Sometimes this is the end of the pattern, and then we can go to the reverse. Reverse means we are going to go to the suppose we are buying, we might go to sell. Suppose if we are selling, we might go to buy. So spinning top, it's my favorite type of candlestick. So what it will tell you, short body. So actually you can see the body is short and both shadows with same size, up and down, similar size. Bearish and bullish both the same. You can see the color, whatever the color you want to set in your trading views or MetaTrader 4, it's up to you. But make your chart so appealing that you want to trade. You want to keep watching the market. I mean, this is what I like my chart to be seen very clean, and then also at least not too many indicators there. Too many indicators are sometimes it's too much crowd in your mind as well. You're confusing yourself. That's why sometimes even no indicators also helps you to identify just by looking at the candlesticks and the price action. Best way to enter the market is understanding the market structure, understanding those power of values. I mean, the position of those special values position where market can react something. And finally, you also can possibly reverse to bearish. Also you can eventually go to the next position by understanding. Then the additional confirmation is added by indicators. This is completely for free, additional confirmation. But first thing first, if you understand this kind of candlestick patterns, easy for you, more confirmation. So talking about doji, so what is doji candles? Doji candles actually are, there are different types of doji candles. Number one, there is no body at all. Number one is dragonfly doji candle. Number two is, you can see gravestone, which is, they're completely opposite. You can see it's upside down started. So doji gravestone is, this is how it looks like. You already probably know this, but it's a recap for you. Okay, so here is a dragon. So they look exactly the same, but it's completely opposite. Long legs doji. Sometimes this is a little bit confusing. Don't get confused. This kind of, don't get overwhelmed by not knowing what kind of candlestick it is. Sometimes like shooting star, morning star, evening star, and doji, dragonfly, spinning top, spinning bottom, a double top, double bottom. Oh my God, there's so many names. You do not have to know everything. All you have to know is the concept of the wicks. When this wick is, buyers, they tried, as sellers, they tried, probably came here, but what happens, this candle just closed up here. Means that sellers doesn't have that much power. Now buyers might take the position. Same thing, this is like now whatever the pattern was continuously going through, suppose it was a downtrending, now this is the candlestick, then what we should say is, you can see market can change the pattern or change the direction, just reverse, like see, it's indicator of reversal. Sometimes, oh wow, low liquidity price indicator. Low liquidity means no, it is not the time to enter the market. Market is not really taking much decision to enter the market. Open and close at same price. This is what it is about doji. Okay, and then let's go to the next one. So hammer and hanging man. Oh, this is a powerful candlestick if you understand it. So you can already see in the picture here, hammer actually is, it looks like a hammer. Okay, so the top of there is a head, there is a tail. I would say head and tail, like a tadpole, you can say. You remember the tadpole, it's a hammer. Okay, but you know hammer is what it is. So we use, we have a handle and we have some heavy head, and then what we do is we just make a hole somewhere or nail it. Okay, that's it. So let's talk about hanging man. Hanging man is, the hammer is there when hammer is here, and it comes from, like, suppose we are going to the downtrend. So I'm going to draw for you. Suppose we are going to downtrend, and what happens here is, so this hammer has appeared, so which is sellers were trying to sell, push up to here, but what happened was the buyers started to take over the market. Then it has slowly, you can see it has actually taken a little bit of position. The buyers already took the position now. Another concept is that yes, sellers went all the way down, but what happens to the buyers, they pull the market up here, and then the candlestick is closed like this. And same thing for our hanging man. So this is like hammer is for bullish candlestick, same example, same size, look exactly the same, but hammer is for bullish, but hanging man is for bearish candlestick. When there is a bearish candlestick, like you can see bearish hammer, you can say bearish hammer. It's up to you, whatever makes you easier to remember this kind of candlestick, you make it up to you. So here, hanging man, this comes now, probably, yes, sellers, they went, but what happens, there is some kind of exactly the same, sellers were selling, but what happens is it has come, market has pulled a little bit up, but change pattern. I'm going to read a little bit for you. So I'm going to share this information actually in the real market so that you understand it. All right, so long bearish shadow, which is 2 or 3 times longer than body. So here you can 2 to 3 times, you can see sometimes the tail, you can see the wick cannot be that longer. It's still okay, you take it. Not all the candlesticks you read will be 100% perfect, because some people that we can memorize. I'll tell you, I have a couple of notes that I made where I have actually drawn this candlestick, because you have to practice a lot for that. Hopefully you will do that too after watching this video. So bullish, which is white, possible reverse indicators. There we go. It's already there. And bearish, possible reverse indicator. So yes, market was actually going upward. Now you can see hanging man is there, means that now market is going to pull back, or probably the reverse pattern is going to start. Okay, let's go to the next one. So what is inverted hammer and shooting star? That's what I mean. You do not worry about too much this kind of indicators or name of the candle. The concept is when there is some pattern forming like this. Inverted hammer is, you already know, inverted hammer, it is actually for bullish market, right? Bullish candlestick. So here, if you see, this was actually opposite in the hammer. Now this is inverted hammer, means that whenever you see inverted hammer, what is going to happen? It is actually going to reverse the market. You can say reverse means its market is about to change its pattern, maybe for short term or long term. We never know. That is why I will give my personal recommendation for all the new traders, or even some experienced traders out there, because they never tell that there are 3 ways you can actually protect your asset in the forex market. Is number 1 is know where to enter the market, know when to exit the market, and third one is how to manage your trade. Means that sometime you might need to exit the trade without taking any profit, because you realize that, oh no, I enter in the wrong position. Now I can't win this market. Better than losing a lot of money, why not to just get out of the market in a small loss? Not many people do that. That's why some of them, they blow their account. I'm one of them as well. What I used to do is I used to actually move the stop loss. Can you imagine? I used to move the stop loss so that I can win that trade, but it never happened. Sometime it may happen, but it happened once or twice with because I'm also an indices trader, NASDAQ. I used to trade a lot NASDAQ. So it was a beginning session 2020. It was in 2020. I moved my stop loss very low, because we expected to see the market going upward. But what happened, market pulled back in such a way that was the wrong entry, but I hold it for 3 days, that trade, but I won the trade. And that was another confident, but that was overconfidence. After that, maybe after 2-3 days, I did the same thing, but that other trade was gone into completely boom. What is that? Stop loss, stop out. Okay, it's a choppy market. Sometimes the market is very choppy. We don't really understand what's happening there. That's why we do, even though we understand, but we because our mind is always seeing the profit, we want to see the profit, but it may not happen all the time. That's why 3 things if you do while you're analyzing this kind of market, because do not want to enter the market without confirmation. At least 90% is a confirmation. So what are those 90% confirmation is? Number one is price action. Check whether it is downtrending or uptrending. Sometimes this trend can change. Check the trend line break strategy, which is very powerful. It is helping me so much. And also if you are a scalper, 5 minutes candlestick, 1 minute candlestick, and also sometime the fundamental also kills news. Okay, do that. So you will win. We all will win, but Forex is risky, as I say, but it is giving me so much confidence, at least to become the better version of myself. I have a lot of time for myself. I am spending a lot of time with my children, becoming even better than better every day. At least I'm focusing on 2%, 1% to improve my past losses, past mistakes. If you improve your past mistakes and don't repeat again, there's no one can stop you to win. Not only in the Forex, I'm talking about in life. You have to win in life first. You have to win yourself to win anything in your life. All right, so let's go ahead. A little bit of topic in between my lecture. So we have learned inverted hammer. So what I'm going to do here is, so there is another one. If you see inverted hammer, shooting star, I think we have done, yeah, inverted hammer, we have done this one. Now let's go to candlestick continuous pattern. So this is just a picture for you I took out and I just made it an example. But if you need any of these pictures, you can find in Google everywhere. They're everywhere. Please do research a little bit, okay? But YouTube is another way to, because I learn a lot from YouTube. That's why I started creating these videos, so that at least how does it look like in real market? Okay, see here, bearish, this is continuous, bearish harami. Yes, this is, I mean, they are like, so they are pattern which is 2 and 3. So number one is 2, so I can share that another picture with you as well. Tri-star and the spinning top and inverted hammer, same thing we already learned. Okay, let's go. Like, what is market geometry? So this information is really another killer for you. Please watch it if you want to know more about the geometry, market geometry in Forex. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe this channel so that you can get weekly, at least twice for the 3 times videos that is going to help you to become the better trader. So there are market geometry means I would completely go through the structure. Geometry means structure. So some people will say market structure, some people say geometry, because market is always making some kind of pattern. So first one is, I would say, double top, head and shoulder, and rising waves. Okay, so here, what is double top? You can see, so this one I can show you in the real market once we finish this theory part, because we also do practical. First thing we do theory and then we do practical. So this is the neckline, and what happens is, this is the pattern where you think that because 2 times market was rejected, then market is going to continuously go down. Okay, and you can take that, this is the position where you can enter yourself, or maybe wait for little confirmation and just enter from here, and yes, target is hit, hooray. That's it. It's simple. But when you see the market, can you focus on this kind of pattern? When you do that, I think it's another confirmation. It's like it works like icing in a cake. Seriously, okay, it works like icing in a cake. So head and shoulder. So another 3 rejection here means that market is definitely it tried to break this zone but didn't happen. But there is a little bit of taller than the 2. This shoulder will be, the head will be taller than the shoulder. Sometimes it may not be exactly the same. You can say like this as well. Okay, so something like this, but it was uptrending, and then head and shoulder, something like that. And you will what will be here, you can put the stop loss right here, and this is how to enter and exit the market example. Another one is the rising waves. So rising waves is, suppose the market is uptrending, And yes, there is some, you can see it's like it's a ranging market, is not really doing much, but it is forming some kind of pattern which is rising ways. Okay, and in this case what happens, how many rejection is there? So means suppose some rejections are there, right? So means that it is also in the position that you can actually take a short from there. So remember that double top is the indicator of a market reversal, which is you can go short in the market. Head and shoulder is also the another example that market has actually rejected 3 times, or sometime it can be smaller, 3 times, 5 times. Then it has created this kind of pattern. Yeah, you can go for short. But you need to understand how to take your profit as well. Sometimes it may continue. It has happened in some of the stocks that I have been witnessed in my live channel. It has come no without taking profit. It has gone up. It may happen. It's not 100% sure. But yes, remember that this is really good information that can help you to actually take some example and make some profit from market. Now we are heading towards triangles, ascending, descending, and symmetrical. What they are actually, they look like this in the markets. Remember, we already talked about the rising waves, but here they look like waves, but they are actually in terms of triangle. Why? Because this one specifically, it happens in the resistance zone. The resistance zone means that market has actually tried to break this zone 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, but it couldn't. Now time to like it. This is another tricky part, guys. So why I'm telling that is someone like you'll think, because this is a triangle, right? Because it also tried to break this zone. You can say this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. But it couldn't break. So market can either go upward or either go downwards. That's why for this type of market, ascending triangle, we wait for the confirmation. Means that if the trend line, just all you have to do is draw the trend line. If it broke the trend line, then you're ready to enter the market. Boom. Okay. So descending triangle is another beautiful market structure that you can also use to take profit, either short, it is long, or short, up to you. Okay, why? Because it's same thing, like it has tried many times to cross this level, but it couldn't. It's actually going down. So in this case, you either can go, but to confirm, you either have to wait and check the trend line. If it breaks through, yeah, go. But if not, you have to wait. Sometime what it will do is probably market will come up here and then boom, it will go there. Okay, symmetrical triangle is something that also very important part that helps traders to analyze the market and also enter. So it's same concept that market has tried to cross this zone but couldn't, and that's why market is suppose right here. That's what it is. It's a symmetrical triangle. Same thing happened over here, but it either can go downwards or either can go or can go upwards. So which position should you take? Always make use additional confirmation. You can this time you can use some indicators and it will help you to confuse, clarify your confusion, and just wait for the confirmation. Let the next candlestick form and check the longer time frame and smaller time frame. But these patterns are really good if you see in the market. Okay, so falling waves and rectangle. Okay, yeah, falling waves and rectangle, Y, and bullish pennant. So let's go ahead. What is falling waves? So same thing, we just rising waves, just opposite of rising waves is falling waves. Okay. So see here, number one is how many time market has tried its base? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times. 1 time. So it's like market tried to cross this line, couldn't. And same thing here, 1, 2, 3. Now it has, like, it's a falling waves. This kind of pattern is helping you to actually enter the market in the long position. Okay, in the long position. Bullish rectangle. Yeah, this is it's rectangle. I think market, this is really good example that when market is ranging, were it ranging for a while, what you can see is you will be able to see that oh, I don't know what to do, like, yeah, but it couldn't cross this line for a while, but market can continue. It's like a continuous pattern. I would say bullish. It's a bullish rectangle. That's why. See, it's a bullish rectangle, but there is a bearish pendant. Pendant means it can be exactly pendant. Why talking about pendant? Because this is the shape, right? I actually take this one as a flag. I don't know, whatever you say. I usually take this as a flag. It's a flag, okay? It's a flag. It's a, you can even talk Nepalese flag, okay? I don't know if you okay, I think this is the sun and moon, but anyways, I'm talking about, this is a pendant that if market has tried 1 2 3 times to cross this value in areas of value but couldn't, now market is going to, so take a short take an example of this and try to understand this market position, all right, this position, and practice in a demo account, because you don't have to lose money, right? So rising wedge we have done already. Yeah, we have done this one. Okay, that was oil. Okay, so that what is but now I hope you understood some of this value from this video, right? You got some value out of this video. Now I really want you to smack that like button, subscribe to my channel, and so that you get this kind of videos regularly, and also give me your feedback. Your messages are so important to me, so that I can improve this channel for many people, because there are so many struggling traders out there who doesn't even know how to get started. So if anyone is looking for more information, you always look out, and I will so send some description in the YouTube below here. Just all you have to do, click that link, and you can join my Facebook group, which is completely private. That I haven't I will be taking some live session, and you can join the session for free. So having said, I love you all, and you enjoy your rest of your evening, and just keep loving yourself, and keep supporting this channel, and like, share, and comment. And I want you to see you in the next video. Okay, I will definitely see you in the next video. Keep motivating yourself, because there is no one else is coming to inspire you, telling you what to do for your life. Okay, so it's you who is going to make some difference in your life. So keep going, never give up. If you want to become a trader, yes, there will be some losses, but never give up on your dream. I think I received one message in not one, there's so many messages come in messengers and Instagram, say thank you so much for this video, ma'am. I learned a lot from this video. Then when I hear that information, it makes me so happy. I was also started, I was struggling, I was really struggling. I didn't have any idea that we could get so much information from YouTube channel. I was paying a lot of money to learn this. And what used to happen in those lessons is you still have to do everything by yourself. Not much lessons available, but trading ideas which was given still used to go to stop loss. Means that is just an example, but that's past, which we can change it. That's why I'm here. Let's connect through Facebook group. If you have any more question, please directly contact me, and I will see you in the next video. Keep loving and supporting. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. Stay blessed.